What's up, everybody? So quick story here. I've been sitting outside at this gas station now for about 20 minutes. It's hot. Don't feel like sitting here for 20 minutes. I literally came in to grab some water real fast and go on my way doing a review of a Lexus LS430. And you know, I had to jump the car off at the dealership just to get it cranked up. And then when I get down to the gas station here, I pull in to get some water. Not really putting a whole lot of thought into the battery might not crank back up. And I'm sitting out here, get out the car, uncrank it, go inside the gas station, grab my water, come back out, and the darn car won't crank back up. So again, I'm sitting out here. I've been here 20 minutes, right? And my little brain, I'm freaking thinking, I'm like walking around asking people at the gas station, yo, can I borrow some jump cables real quick? Probably the last 10 people didn't have no jump cables. I asked the people inside the gas station, he said, yeah, you can get some jumper cables for $30. Really, dude? You won't let me just borrow them real quick? Sorry, but I can't do it. So, I mean, that's that gig, right? I mean, pay for the jumper cables. Then a guy inside, I asked him for some jumper cables. He goes, no, don't have any. And then he's parked right here next to me a few minutes ago, and then he's like, hey, man, he's like, I got a jump box. So he pulls his jump box out of his trunk, kind of an off-brand jump box, didn't really recognize the brand. I'm excited, I'm like, all right, man, I'm about to get in the car so I can go review it, crank it up. Put the jump box up under the car, does not crank the car up. I'm like, okay. I look at it, I'm like, oh man, I put the positive on the negative and screwed it all backwards. Put it back correctly, and still doesn't jump off. Come to find out, it looked like to me that he didn't think this, but I looked at it and I said, I bet his jump box just don't have enough power. He goes, well, I've only used it twice and it says it gets 20 jumps. I'm like, dude, how long has it been sitting in your trunk? A couple months. Well, I mean, I don't know, dude, but probably don't have enough power. So anyways, my brain gets to thinking, and I look across the street there, and there's a mechanic shop over there. So I walk across the road. I asked the mechanic shop, I'm like, hey guys, y'all got a jump box? And he's like, looks at me like, what are you talking about, dude? I'm like, my car's dead across the street. So anyways, he, nice enough, lets me borrow his jump box here. Check this thing out, pretty sweet. OEM Tools, I believe that's the brand. Let's see if this will actually jump off the car. I mean, what a nice guy. I mean, a random person, stranger walks up, needs to borrow a jump box battery thing, and he just hands it to me and tells me to walk over here and do it. So let's see if we can get it cranked up. Man, I'll tell you guys and girls, I've had Duracell Battery actually send me a jump box in the mail, and we ended up having to move out of the house that they mailed it to in an abrupt move. I mean, we weren't really necessarily wanting to move, but we had to move. And anyways, long story short, unfortunately, the battery jump box thing arrived at the house a day after we had moved out, and the homeowner of the house would not give it to me. Even though it was my jump box, Duracell sent it to me so I could do some videos using it. They would not send me another one, and the people, basically the homeowners, took the jump box and kept it for themselves. So, oh, I would have loved to have one right about now. Anyways, let's test it out. Let's give it a shot. He said, hold this button down. Let's give it a shot. Oh, I hope this works, because I really need the battery to crank up. All right, here we go. And that's no fun when you have no shocks working. But anyways, we need this car to crank up so I can do the review on it. Well, we got power right now, I hear it. Let's see if we got enough power though to actually crank this big old V8 engine up. We got power. Yep. There we go. Oh man, what a lifesaver. I mean, believe me guys and girls, it's a lifesaver having a jump box, especially one that's freaking charged and works. All right, let's go walk across the street, go give it back to our guy. I think we might need to drive over there. Boy, oh boy, I tell you guys, man, it's pretty much the beginning of April and it is hot. You just don't want to be sitting on the side of the road or at the gas station waiting and hoping for somebody to have jumper cables. Because I done learned today, people just don't keep jumper cables in their cars. I mean, I was really surprised to see just a random guy got a jump box sitting in his trunk. But unfortunately, his jump box didn't have no power. So if you got a jump box, make sure you keep it charged up. Because if something happens, man, that would really suck to not have your jump box working. Anyways, we want to give a big shout out today to Cannon's Automotive Service for the owner there. Let me use his OEM tools jump pack. That thing was great, man. I mean, it's small, it's slim, and it got the job done really quickly. So, anyways, Duracell, if you're listening, we need a jump box. If you want to send us one, I'll give you lots of reviews. I'm already talking about it right now. But, you know, a jump box I think is something that probably everybody with an automobile needs. And, you know, they have gotten to be, jump boxes have gotten to be pretty, you know, pretty popular thing right nowadays. That'd be a great Christmas present, a great birthday present for somebody, you know, that just needs a quick jump. Anyways, let's walk back in here and hand him his jump box. Thanks to these guys, man, like he just said in there, he's like, I don't usually loan out stuff. He's like, I've had tools taken, jumper cables taken. He's like, I usually don't loan out stuff. But anyways, thanks for loaning out your jump box, man. That made that was really helpful. And anyways, he was interested to know about the YouTube channel. So, hey man, if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. And anybody, if you're ever in the Dorchester Road area out here, check his shop out. He's got some cool stuff in there. He's got a Galaxy sitting on the side there, something really unique. Maybe he'd let us come back and film it one day. It might be an actual customer's car though, you know. So, well, I didn't shut the car off this time. It's still cranked up. Let's hit the street. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out the Lexus LS 430 video when it comes out. I'm getting ready to go film it right now.